In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your two-step verification device in Xero on the web. If you've switched phones or need to reconnect your security app, this is a simple process as long as you can still access your Xero account using your backup recovery method. I'll walk you through it clearly so you can update your verification device without confusion. Start by opening Xero in your web browser and logging into your account. If your usual verification method is no longer available because your old phone is missing, reset, or replaced, use your backup recovery method to complete the sign-in process. This step is important because you'll need to be fully logged in before you can make any changes to your security settings. Once you're inside your account, look to the top area of the screen for your profile icon. Click on that icon to open the account menu, then select Account. This will take you into your account settings, where you can manage personal and security-related options. From there, find the section for two-step verification. This is where Xero lets you control the device connected to your account for login approval. Take a moment here to make sure you're in the correct section before continuing, especially if you're updating security settings during a busy work session. Next, click Change Device if you want to replace your existing verification phone with a new one. If needed, you may also see the option to disable. The option you choose depends on what Xero is showing in your account and the state of your current setup. In most cases, if you're moving directly to a new phone, Change Device is the option you'll want. After that, Xero will display a new QR code. Open the Xero Verify app on your new phone and use it to scan the QR code shown on your computer screen. Make sure you're using the new device you want tied to the account going forward. When scanning, hold your phone steady and ensure the full code is visible on the screen so the app can detect it properly. Once the code is scanned, your new phone will be paired with Xero Verify for future login approvals. At that point, your updated device should be ready to use the next time you sign in. That's it. By logging in with your backup recovery method, opening your account settings, going to two-step verification,